Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Beacons AI account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you shorten a link in your Beacons AI account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to shorten a link anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you get affiliate links that are really long and they don't fit where you need them to be, or maybe you want to go ahead and track various links. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Beacons AI Pro account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up my Beacon account and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know that in order to shorten a link in your Beacons account, you do have to have the Pro version. But as long as you have the Pro version, like I do, in order to shorten a link, what you're going to do is here on the left side, you want to click on marketing. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this drop down menu and click on link shortener. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and shorten a link. So let me grab a link to my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, so here is the link to my YouTube channel. What you're going to do is go ahead and paste in the link. Okay, you can see it's quite long. And then what you're going to do is go ahead and name this link. This is so you can reference it later. So Anthony YouTube channel, and then maybe I'll go ahead and zero it in. So I'm going to say December, and then we can go ahead and customize the link, or you can just simply click generate short link. Okay, so here is the shortened link. As you can see right here, we can copy that and click done. Okay, so now we have the link right here. And the cool thing about shortening a link with Beacons AI, you can come back in here and you can go ahead and see how many clicks. You can check statistics on it by clicking right there. So you can separate by week, month, 3 months, or 1 year. They're also going to log the traffic source and the geography. So let me show you what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and put this up. Okay, here's my link. Now you can see it automatically reroutes into my YouTube channel. Okay, let me go ahead and refresh my screen. Now you can see it immediately logs that I had 1 click, and then we can click here and check the engagement. We can check the traffic source, which is direct, and then geography right here. Now, if you need to come back in and edit the link for some reason, you can click on these 3 dots, click on edit. Okay, so here you can go ahead and change the destination URL, which some other link shorteners do not let you do. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to shorten a link using your Beacons AI, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.